Hi, I'm Tammy Lee, and I will be showing you how to find your textbook. Now, your computer or device may be different, but if you choose the drop-down menu, you can either go to My WIU to access STARS or go directly to STARS. And I'm going to go into STARS now. And if you scroll down to the bottom, there will be a course search, and there's another course search. So I'm going to look for a Biology 100 course. So where it says all departments, I'm going to choose Biology. All course levels, I want a 100 course. And I'm going to leave it at any day and including arranged classes. I'll hit search, and there's a couple of selections here. 100 classes, there's also a 170 and 190 course there. So I'm going to choose the first selection. And here you can see all the information about this course, as well as the book that is required for this course. So I'm going to click on the bookstore. It's bookstore.wiu.edu, and I will click on the drop-down menu because I want to order textbook. And there's the order textbook selection. Now I've already selected a couple of courses here, but I'm going to add another course. And this is pretty easy as well. You just find exactly the biology course you're looking for. There's biology. And there's the first. You choose that one right there. And it will list all the courses that I'm taking and all the books I selected. So I don't need to choose another course. I'm going to view the materials. And this will give me all of the options of where I can purchase the books that are available for that class, and if I can buy them used or new, or if I want to compare prices from other sites, it'll give you those options as well. And then at the bottom, you can continue to check out, and you will have a full shopping cart of exactly what you had selected. It is always a great day to be a leatherneck. I hope this was helpful to you.